What is going on, guys? David Holroyd here, one of the top earners inside of Lead Lightning. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make commissions with Lead Lightning. Check this out. Okay, so we're inside the back office of the power lead system of Lead Lightning. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to step 2 here. I'm going to click on step 2, and then I'm going to head on over to where it says money. Let me scroll down so you can see exactly how much you can make with Lead Lightning. So Lead Lightning itself, you get basically the full system, the whole thing for literally $7, and you earn $6 every time somebody comes through and purchases Lead Lightning through your affiliate link. So what you would do is go check it out by going to theviralfunnel.com. You'll actually see the link in the description of this video, and it'll bring you through to a page that looks like this. This is what we call the capture page. Excuse me. What you would do here, just simply enter your email address and then click on unlock step 2. What it'll do is it'll bring you through to the checkout page. Very important, watch this quick 3-minute video. It just explains a little bit more about how Lead Lightning works and all the benefits and bonuses that you get. Now, just below that video, you're going to see everything that you get anyway for just $7. So not only do you get a done for you funnel that you can literally set up in minutes, you get then the system, like I've already said, so you can go out there and start promoting your Lead Lightning funnel, and you get to keep $6 of every $7 sale. So just 2 sales and you're in profit, okay? You also get follow-up and built-in emails and text, so the system works on your behalf, okay? You get the free traffic toolkit, so basically you don't need to spend any money on paid advertising. There's daily payouts. Back in the day, what Lead Lightning used to do is they used to have it in a way where they used to pay you every Wednesday. Now it's every single day, so that's a huge bonus. You also get the free ChatGPT course, so it basically helps you so you can turn AI into a 24-hour marketing assistant. Okay, it's pretty cool. You also get a 7-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not entirely happy, within 7 days, just get your $7 back, okay? It's $7 at the end of the day, so who doesn't have $7 in the pocket? There's also a couple more bonuses that they've just added. So the new bonus that they've just added is the ultimate AI video money machine. So they've just added a $300 video workshop, and you get it 100% for free when you join today for just $7, okay? And there's more information about it all here, what people are saying, and you can also see more stuff that you actually get. There's loads of stuff that you get for $7. So I could be here for hours just telling you about all the bonuses and everything that you get, but time is on our side. So you'll also notice here on the right hand side, this is what we call a bump sell. And I highly recommend this. This is what's generating people a lot of income. And it's called the U in a box. Now it's $37. It's normally $197, but I know they've got a special going on where they're doing it for just $37 right now. And not only do you get a full in-depth it's an hour and a half course on how to create, I'll just press play, there's no sound anyway, how to create these type of reels for social media. And these type of reels are really blowing up on social media. People are getting millions of views. They might seem silly, but trust me, they're generating people a lot of views and a lot of income, okay? So let me just pause that for a second, because not only do you get access to that 1.5 hour training of how to do things like this, but it also teaches you how to generate your very own AI twin that looks exactly like you. Because if you're like most people, you don't like really showing your face, putting your face on camera, okay? Let AI do it for you. So it explains how you can clone yourself as an AI and generate these type of reels that do all the work, all the selling, all the telling for you, okay? So to get this training, all you would simply do is come down here and click on this button here. So to add it, click the button, your total would be $44. Here's why I recommend that you do it. Not only do you get all that training, okay, but when you come to sell this yourself and somebody comes through the exact same process, okay, and they pay $7, you earn six of that $7, okay? If they add this, the you in a box, $25 goes to you. So they pay the 37, you get 25 of that 37. Okay, so that's your commission for selling this, okay? So that'd be $44. That if let's just say for instance you don't have this, okay, and you go out there and you sell it and somebody buys it, guess what? That $25 commission would go to your upline, okay? So I highly recommend that you do add it. Number one, for all the training that you get, and number two, because you don't want to miss out on any commissions at the end of the day. So let me just show you as well. Let me come, oh, wrong page. Let me go back to this page. Excuse me. So you've got your lead lightning commission, $6. You've got the you in a box, which I've just explained. You get $25. Once you've paid, you'll go through to what they call an upsell page. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not here to lie to you or to tell you any or mislead you in any way. I'm going to be completely honest with you. You're going to be taken through to an upsell page that's going to try and sell you the free ad secrets. Now, it's $147. I'm going to be honest, it's $147, but if you do have it, guess what? When you come to resell this and somebody buys it, guess what? You earn a $100 commission. Now, the majority of the people that come into Lead Lightning take me up on these three offers. Quite simply, and I'm going to show you why. So let me come back here and I'm going to click on System and I'm going to click on Leaderboard. So last week on the leaderboards, I came second, okay? I was just beaten by a good friend of mine called James. Highly respect James, he's a great guy. Let me go back to the week before. I was top of the leaderboard. James was just below me. Let me go back another week. Guess what? Graham again. Let's go back another week. You guessed it, me again. And I can keep doing this because I've been the top earner for 7 or 8 weeks, on and off. I'm always in the top 2, okay? But as you've just seen, the last sort of 4 or 5 weeks I've just shown you, I'm number 1. Here's why. I know how to market online. I know what works, okay? And I teach you everything that I know inside of our Facebook group, okay? So when you come into Lead Lightning and you go to this page here, which I'm just showing you all of this, okay? Come up to where it says Coaching Vault. Click on Access on Demand. I've put together a 30-day challenge bonus. There's going to be a brand new funnel that I'm releasing. It might already be released by the time you watch this video. If you're already in, don't worry, it's coming very soon, okay? But I've put together all of these bonuses. 365 done for you reels, 365 images, motivational posts, so on. I've even put together a promotional material, which is more reels that promote this system for you, okay? I've also put together this video here, so I'm just going to click on this and show you very quickly. So if I open up this page, so I pride myself on Facebook. I love Facebook, I really do. And I managed to trick the Facebook algorithm and I generated 223 new members inside of Lead Lightning in less than 4 weeks, okay? Which generated me, I think it was close to about over $4,000, okay, in commissions. Think about that. That's over $1,000 a week, okay? And I show you in this 15-minute video, and you get this video completely for free when you join my team today. And again, all you have to do is go to theviralfunnel.com or simply just click the link in the description, okay? So let me go back here because I've also just added another video where I show you where to add your affiliate link on Facebook for maximum exposure, because there's so many places on Facebook that you can add your affiliate link on your profile that not many people know about, okay? And I reveal all of those secrets. Now, I do want to mention one more thing, because it's not only me that's making money with all this, because don't get me wrong, you get all these bonuses, which is awesome. I teach you everything that I know inside of this system, okay? But don't just take my word for it. Let me come over to our Facebook group. So in our Facebook group, there's 50,000 members, okay, that we're currently teaching, okay? There's a Matthew here. He posted this 10 hours ago. Can you see these? This looks exactly like him, but it's not. This is all AI generated, okay? And there's a good friend of mine called Jeff Mills, and he shows you how to create these type of videos in seconds, okay? So if you are camera shy, don't be, because we're going to show you exactly how to create an AI version of yourself that can start generating you an income with Lead Lightning. Let me just scroll down. We've got Sean here. Sean's been getting a load of diamond member sales. So these are the $100 sales. So when I mentioned, let me go back here. Let me go back to money. These ones here, the free ad secrets, okay? So he's getting a lot of people signing up. And just like I said to you, a lot of people goes for these top three. Number one, you have to obviously join Lead Lightning. So that's the $7 and you earn $6 from every one of them. So everybody gets that. But a lot of people are joining us at these two levels as well. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, okay, Graham, this sounds awesome, but what's all this? And how much do all these cost me? Great question. And I'm not going to lie to you, I'm going to show you. So once you're in the back office, let me just click on dashboard. So once you're in here, now, excuse me, you'll only see this dashboard when you go for that 140, the free ad secrets one. This is what we call the power lead system. If you're just a Lead Lightning member, it's going to look slightly different, but don't worry, there's only a couple of things that are different. It's the same steps, etc. Okay, so once you do join, you want to join the Facebook group, etc. So let me come down here, because not only, actually, this is what I want to show you, the all in. So if you click on the all in, this basically gets you everything, okay? And to get everything, it costs $2,000. It's a one-time payment, okay? And you get access to everything. Not only do you get access to everything, but you also get access to all of these commissions. So if somebody comes through and they purchase everything, guess what? All these commissions are yours. Is it optional? 100%. You do not have to buy any of these upsells if you do not want to. It's entirely up to you. It's entirely up to you how much money you want to make. But just think about this for a second. Somebody comes through and they purchases Lead Lightning through your affiliate link, and you don't have any of these, okay? And the person that you just brought in buys everything. Well, guess what? You've just lost out on all these commissions. You'll get this one because that's what you bought, but you will miss out on all of these. So yes, I highly recommend that you do go all in. Yes, I understand it's $2,000, okay? So please just bear that in mind. It's optional, but you don't have to. And just to prove that I'm not a liar, if I click on, am I all in qualified? Yes, I bought it. Do you know why? Because I know and I understand how to market and sell online. Hence the reason why I want to help you build an income online with Lead Lightning. So what I want you to do now is I want you to go ahead. I want you to click the link in the description. It's called theviralfunnel.com. Like I said, you're going to come through to, where's the page gone? This page. You're going to enter your email address. You're going to be redirected to this page. Again, I've already mentioned it. Watch this video. Once you've watched this video, fill out your details. If you want to upgrade, simply just click on this button. It's $44. You'll go through to the upsell page that I mentioned. Entirely up to you. It's optional. If you want to take it, fantastic. If you don't take it, fantastic. That's entirely up to you. Again, it's optional. I just want to make sure that you fully understand how the system works, how to drive traffic, and plus you're going to get my help and support. Not only are you going to get my help and support, But when you do come into the system and you grab the free ad secrets, which is the upsell page, when you come here, you can book a one-on-one with Neil Guest. He's the CEO of this system. So not only are you going to get my help and support from the #1 earner in the company, you're also going to get help and support from the owner of the company, all by clicking the link in the description and joining Lead Lightning today. If you do have any questions, please put them in the comments. But again, my name is David Holroyd, and I cannot wait to see you on the leaderboard and earning an income with Lead Lightning. Take care, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.